As I was booking the entry ticket for India International Trade Fair through Paytm, then I received my 5 bank account details along with the card. You can see that I received a mail from bookmyshow. I have booked a ticket for India International Trade Fair for 22nd of November, and I will reach there by 11. Since I have to attend a religious function during the evening in Najafgarh, then I will take a return journey towards Chandigarh. Let's open the file. All of the 5 bank prepaid wallet card developers are from Google team. Some of them have worked in Amazon also. Since I want to use several wallets in the same category, and all of them should possess some money. It might contain all the details of debit card, and it is a Visa debit card. The QR code for the application, which I have already downloaded. And the CVC code is hidden. You can also customize this Visa card. There is a booklet also. 5 means Federal Bank. The KYC procedure is too simple. Even if you have processed a minimum KYC, then also you will get 1 lakh deposit limit. bookmyshow is not able to log in through Facebook, but I have received the ticket. And saved it as a screenshot. Even when I had booked the railway tickets yesterday, there was a lot of waiting. So I had to opt for early morning reservation, and I want to spend some time in a productive manner. So I will try to reach the premises, and if there is lesser number of people waiting in the queue, then only I will opt. Otherwise I will continue my journey towards the Najafgarh ashram.